Ahoy, shipmates! Bit of a land-based activity today, unfortunately. As you could probably guess, it's a little too windy to fly. Now, although the weather is sunny and good visibility, the wind is too fast for my drone. I use this anemometer to check the wind speed before I take off. My drone is rated for 20 miles an hour, and as you can see, the wind here is pretty much 20 miles an hour constantly or more. And this, of course, is at ground level. As soon as you go up higher into the sky, the wind is higher. Now, although my drone will fly in this weather, it doesn't necessarily take good pictures, and it's difficult to control. If we can see here, the wind is almost gusting to 30 occasionally. The forecast was for gusts in the region of 45 to 50 miles an hour, so it seems like the weathermen know what they're talking about. But even then, see, there was a gust of 32.8. So I just thought I'd try the drone in this sort of wind and see how it performs. Now, usually the drone is very steady in the air. It will only move a few inches left or right, up or down. But here you can see it's already moved a few feet up all by itself. And you probably can't tell, but it is moving left and right and forwards and backwards, really struggling to stay in this position. And because the wind is gusting to 40-50 miles an hour, the top speed of the drone is only 40 miles an hour. Therefore, there's a high possibility it would literally blow away. So that's one of the reasons why I haven't been able to get out much recently. The lull in the winds tend to also coincide with no ship traffic. And then when it's windy, that's when all the ships come in. Well, I thought you might be interested. I've had a few questions as to how the wind affects the drone, and you can see it affects it quite a lot. Well, till next time, shipmates. Hopefully it'll be a less windy day.